Flagpoles, etc. is proud to offer our American flags made from Endura nylon flag bunting. This nylon American flag is very affordable while still maintaining great quality. The nylon material is lightweight, giving your flag beautiful waves in the wind. These flags are likely to last you 6 to 9 months depending on your location and weather. We recommend that you always keep a backup handy. These flags are expertly crafted using heavyweight bunting made from 100% nylon with lustrous beauty, plus excellent flyability in even the slightest breeze. Unsurpassed in beauty and craftsmanship, these nylon American flags are manufactured to precise specifications. Authentic seals and designs are always in correct proportion to the flag size. These flags are specially treated to resist sun, chemical deterioration, and are fast drying. All of our flags are finished with a strong, durable white header, embroidered stars, double stitch stripes, and brass grommets. If you're interested in our nylon flags, give us a call at 888-735-5591 or visit our website at flagpolesetc.com.